The first strategy we are going to trade today is liquidity sweep.
Liquidity sweep is when a higher low has buy side or sell side liquidity.
And the market goes over there. After that, it rejects in opposite direction instead of going in that direction. This is where liquidity is swept. It's for two reasons. One, it's for trapping stop losses, and secondly, it's for those who are taking the breakout trades. So let's see a live example. So over here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna only mark our immediate liquidity points, which is this one and this one and this one right here. So let's see which one is picked first. So this liquidity level is here picked first. Our entry would be on the very second candle, this one exactly. So since it is late, we're gonna put it over here. So but our entry would be on the opposite going candle. Our stop loss gonna remain low below the point where liquidity is taken from. And our take profit one would be over here, but I would target at least over here. So let's see how it plays out. As you can see, a take profit is hit right here. So it might go above from here because it was a good entry. So let's see how it goes. You can see it's going above almost 1/4.
Let's jump now to our strategy 2.
The very next strategy we are gonna trade is order block. This is not just gonna be just order block, it's gonna be with trend. So let's see what first order block is. Order block is where a market has a bigger move and a small candle is engulfed or in normal wording crossed by a bigger candle. That is called order block. You just have to make sure it is with a break of structure, let's say here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open any trend indicator from the trading view. Let's say in this case we're gonna choose super trend. So you can choose any super trend indicator, but I am using specifically this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open any trend indicator. After that, we're gonna see where the trend is. Let's say in this case the trend is bullish currently, which shows the green mark. Let's see where the order block is being hit. We can also place our first entry over here if the order blocks goes over here. So we were gonna set limit order over here, and let's see if it takes or not. No, it has not taken. So this order block is far away, so we're gonna not take this one. We're gonna consider this one over here. So if market comes here, we're gonna take our entry. Our entry is taken right here. We're in this trade. Stop loss gonna be just below the block, and we're gonna take profit around 1/2 or at next liquidity point. We're gonna take for safer points at 1/2. Let's see how our trade goes. Our take profit is hit right now, and it has gone to around almost 1/3. This is another level of entry. Let's now look for a sell trade. Let's wait for the trend to get bearish, which is in red color. As you can see, the trend is bearish right now. We're gonna set our limit order at the very next order block over here, and let's see how it goes. Let's see if it takes our entry or not. As you can see, our entry is taken right here. Again, stop loss above the order block and take profit at over 1/2. So let's see, this time it hits take profit or stop loss. So you can see that our TP is hit right now, which is 1/2. Just make sure you follow the trend and pick the order blocks which is not too far. In this case, here it was also another order block at immediate entry. Don't take order blocks that are too far from your entry. You can see here it is another one. Here stop loss was too big, but it was a good entry. So this is how you're gonna trade. Just make sure you go with the trend and you take the order block with which is immediate, and that's how it's done. So let's now move to our next strategy. In this strategy, we're gonna use an A indicator. You have to go to the indicators and you have to search A power breakout with advanced features, which is by Danny Lawson. I'm gonna open it. After that, what you're gonna wait for it is you're gonna wait for the breakout lines to form. If it's red, it's gonna be bearish, and if it's blue, it's gonna be bullish. You're gonna wait for at least 3 hits onto that line. So let's see if it makes one or not. As you can see, first hit, second hit, and third hit. So it shows a bearish breakout. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna wait for our third candle to form. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for next move. If it goes up and retest this and make an engulfed or bullish order block, we're gonna take buy entry. But if the next candle closes inside the zone over here, we're gonna take a bearish entry. So let's see what next candle does. It's in the zone. Here you can see it has closed inside. So we're gonna take our bearish entry. We're gonna put stop loss above the breakout zone and our take profit at least one by one. Let's see if it hits our take profit or stop loss. Our take profit is hit right now. So let's see another example where it goes up, and we take a retest entry. Let's see if we find any or not. As you can see, the zone is formed, and after it has breakdown, it has gone above and it has gone down and retested from over here. So this was our retesting zone. Now on the closure of a bullish candle above, it shows that it has continued to go up. We're gonna put our stop loss below the breakout candle and TP at least one by one once again. Let's see this time if it plays out well or not. Once again our take profit is hit. So this is how you do it. You have to make sure if it closes inside the breakout zone, you have to take a sell entry. If it goes above and comes back and makes once again a bullish move, for example over here a engulf candle where a small candle is being engulfed by a longer candle. Let me make it more clear. You can see the small candle was closed by a bigger one. So that's how we take our entry. Thank you for watching all our 3 trading strategies. If you want to see more such profitable trading strategies, make sure to subscribe our channel and keep coming back. See you in the very next one.